Good morning, everyone. Good morning, our church. This is more order for our team to participate in this show and in the final show too. So yeah, so I'm going to talk about our team first. We are CTU Team 1, and our first system we are working nowadays is fire warning and alarm system. I will talk about a little bit the reason why we are going to choose this subject, because do you guys know in nowadays we have global warming, right? And the most one in Vietnamese countries with and the most one we categorize have the big environment temperatures begin appears in Chico and our in the resource area access that situation, and it's it's go into around this one, yeah. The highest the temperature record, which is 44.2 Celsius in the air. That is very high, right? So we want to have and the other people who live in around that place who have a poor condition, don't know how to get it up, or don't know how to have an environment or a safe place to know that what time, or maybe recognize that they have the fire blaze in their area that they can get out of that place. So we are going to since solution currently the main method we know that in their place they use is the human manpowers. They use the human to observe on the big area to know like a big area that they have a fire or not. If they see it and they recognize it, they alarm to their area. So that is and the second one. We know that they use satellite observation system, meteorological monitoring station. We can see that like the camera to observe on the area. This is like basic method, and they use in the area to control the fire. So we're going to compare these two methods, and we know that the first one they use a human like a monitoring station. The accuracy is going very high, like 4, because like they are human, so they see experiencing the fire and the smoke and the condition they appear in that area, and they're going to alarm right now. So yeah, 4 is the second quality, and the second one is the camera. We have the accuracy is fine too, and yeah, it's really high, but also the second thing is network expansion before too, and but for the disadvantage of the camera, they have to use the real wireless electron to connect these one. It's really difficult when you want working in the difficult environment like the mountains or the forest, because there are so many trees. So that's the reason why we have to be working on this system, the fire monitoring and warning system that will integrate the modern technology to detect the forest fire risk at early stage. So the key object we want to do, the first one is early detection and prediction. The second one is continuous 24-hour per day, and the third one is real-time monitoring and data storage. The last one is flexible application, so they can use in any environment they want. So from this solution for the idea, we have like working on our team, we connect to and we make from the prototype like this. This is the equipment model, 3D model. We have this is the main like the sensors to like they will detect the environment temperatures. This one is the key, and we have like the solar panel to make sure that this sensor is working 24 hours. And this is the actual product. The device is manufactured based on the model design and undergo several stages of the real-world testing. this is the node and this is the gateway. And you can see, we put this in like, yeah, this is the node, this is the gateway, solar panel. After we testing the device, if the testing was smart, the device was testing the environment with a smart shouldering device, which will generate some smart. The sensor secondly like triggered the first alarm. And about the fire, the high temperature object was used for testing. The sensor detected the high temperature and the gateway issue at the fire alarm. As you can see, they saw the real figure in the time in the fire alarm. This is gateway. And I will talk a little bit about our function. So basically, we have the main controls, this one, and this is they will connect the information from the sensor. We call this one the sensor module. This module will have the sensor to detect the temp air, the humid air, and the temperatures, and then they connect to the other, and they put it together, and then they move the information to the main functions, like this one. And this is going to outline the people who are with a priority, like they in the room to read this figure and outline to the environment that they have fire in their ways. So the last one, we compared it to three methods. That is, we have evolution. The last method, our method, is have the higher accuracy and also have the operation and intelligence cost. So the total is 25. So we call that the system has been completely providing a effectively and affordable solution for an early forest fire detection and a real-time monitoring. Our presentation is end here. Thank you for your listening.